Question number first, and find the perimeter of the given square. So we have one side, this is 7 meter, and to find out the perimeter of the square, so by formula of the square perimeter, so perimeter of a square equal to 4 times length of one side. So here perimeter is equal to 4 times one side, so one side is equal to 7 meter, so 7 times 4 equal to 28 meter is the required perimeter of the given square, right? Question number 2, one side of the square is 13 centimeter, so what would be the perimeter of the square? So this is equal to perimeter is equal to 4 times length of one side, that is 13 centimeter. So 13 times 4 equal to 52 centimeter is the required perimeter. Now question number C, and one side of the square is 4 meter, so what would be the perimeter of the square? This is equal perimeter, part number C, and perimeter is denoted by P, and 4 times length of one side, that is 4 meter, so the required perimeter is 4 times 4 equal to 16 meter is the required parameter, right? So this is question number first. Now to find out the question number 2, that is find the parameter of the given rectangle. Now we have the formula for the rectangle, and like this one, this is the formula, this one. Here we have to write down here the formula for rectangle. So here in this question number 2 and part number 1, find the parameter of the given rectangles. The length of the rectangle is 9 centimeter and the width of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. So let me write down, that is length L equal to 9 centimeter and width equal to 5 centimeter. Let me substitute the length and width in the given formula, that is perimeter is equal to 2 times the length of the rectangular shape is 9 centimeter and plus width of the rectangular shape is 5 centimeter. So let me add 9 plus 5 equal to 14 centimeter, and here 14 times 2 equal to 28 centimeter is the required parameter of the rectangular shape. Okay, now question number 2 and part number B is the length of the rectangular shape is 8 meter and width of the rectangular shape is 3 meter. So what would be the formula of the parameter of the given rectangle, right? So here part number B, and here length of the rectangular shape is 8 meter and width of the rectangular shape is 3 meter. So what is the parameter? So parameter is equal to 2 times length plus width is equal to 2 times, and length is 8 centimeter meter and plus width is 3 meter. So 8 plus 3 equal to 11, and 11 times 2 is equal to, this is 22. 22 meter is the required parameter of the given rectangular shape, right? Okay, now part number 3. In part number 3, okay, length of the this one, length of the rectangular shape is 12 meter and width of the shape is 2 meter. Now the parameter of the rectangular shape by formula, that is 2 times length plus width, and this is 2 times length is 12 meter and plus width is 2 meter. Let me here meter, right? So 2 times plus 12 plus 2 equal to 14 meter, and here 14 times 2 is equal to 28. So 28 is the required parameter of the rectangular shape, right?